Hello students and welcome to Top Scholars. Today we'll be talking about another very interesting topic, that is sources and depletion of water. Now, as we know, the most important source of water, and when I say source of water, I'm talking about potable source of water. That is the water which can be used by humans. A very important source is the groundwater. Students, the groundwater is present in aquifers. Now let us first understand what is a water table. It is the upper limit of underground level where all the space between the particles of soils and rocks and the gaps between them are completely filled with water. Students, groundwater is basically the water which is found below this water table. Moving on, now let us take a look at the sources of groundwater. The rainwater and water from the rivers and ponds are the sources which replenish the amount of groundwater. This occurs due to seepage. The water from rain, rivers and ponds seeps through the soil. It fills the empty spaces and cracks deep below the ground. This process is known as infiltration, wherein the water seeps into the ground and replenishes the level of groundwater. Students, as mentioned, it recharges and increases the amount of groundwater. Moving on, now let us know about aquifers. As I just mentioned few moments ago, it is the place where the groundwater is stored between the layers of hard rock below the water table. Students, the water from these aquifers can be drawn out, and usually tube wells or hand pumps are used for this purpose. Now let us talk about the depletion of the water table. Students, the water table may go down if sufficient amount of water is not replenished. This usually occurs due to various human activities. Let us take a look. Increase in population. Now, if the population increases, the demands of the people will also increase. This puts a high amount of pressure on the already available natural resources. Students, also, industrial and agricultural activities are causing the level of groundwater to become less and less. Scanty rainfall is another reason for not having sufficient amount of water. Even deforestation can lead to less amount of water in the aquifers. And finally, students, decrease in effective area for seepage of water.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.